Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to screenshot someone's profile picture on WhatsApp. So let me show you the information you need to know. So as of today, directly taking a screenshot of someone's profile picture on WhatsApp is not possible due to privacy features that prevent screenshotting on the profile picture page. So if I just take you to a profile picture of WhatsApp, like this one. So if I try to take a screenshot, there's a message. As you can see, the app doesn't allow screenshots. So however, on some Android devices, you might be able to capture a screenshot of the contact pop-up that appears when you tap their profile picture, which you can then crop to get their profile photo. There are some key points to remember. No direct screenshot option. WhatsApp has implemented features to block direct screenshots of profile pictures. Android workaround potential. And on some Android phones, tapping on the contact's profile picture in a chat opens a pop-up that can be screenshotted and later cropped to get their profile picture. And privacy considerations. Always be mindful of privacy when taking screenshots of others' personal information. So yeah, this is the information you need to know of screenshotting someone's profile picture on WhatsApp. Hope this will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.